In a world of mass-produced plastic and disposable trends, there is something deeply rebellious about a single thread and a hook. You aren't just looking at a bag, you are looking at the hours of intentionally created gifts. Have you ever noticed how the right accessory doesn't just complement an outfit, it changes how you feel? Today we are diving into the collection of crochet handbag design that bridges the gap between bohemian soul and a high street luxury. Whether you are a fellow maker looking for the inspiration or a lover of a unique fast fashion, stay with me. We are about to redefine what you think handmade looks like. First, let's talk about the minimalist. For the Etsy and Shopify shoppers who love that quiet luxury aesthetic, these designs are everything. Think sturdy cotton cord and t-shirt yarn that provides structure. Notice the use of wooden handle and magnetic clamps. These aren't your grandma's dollies, they are architectural pieces. A neutral crochet tote in a crochet moss stitch or a simple waffle pattern says, I am sophisticated but I value the human touch. These are the best seller for the office to dinner transitions. Now let them turn up the volume. Texture is where crochet truly beats leather or canvas every time. Check out these bubble stitch clutches and 3D floral applique. In 2026, we are seeing a massive resurgence of the maximalist look. People want color, emerald greens and sunset orange and deep lavenders. On platforms like Shopify, these are the statement pieces. If you are selling these, pair them with monochrome outfits and let the bag do the thing. It's a wearable art, it's a conversation starter at a coffee shop or a gallery opening. When you buy one of these, you aren't just buying storage, you are buying a mood. One of the reasons these bags are exploding on Etsy right now is the story behind them.